So today we're gonna be doing a sew-in. Well, I already have a sew-in, but we're gonna be washing my sew-in. And I realized I don't think I've ever done a video like this before. I don't think I have, but if I have, it's been a long time since I've actually done an updated version. Today we're gonna be using Cecred, which is hair care products from Beyonce's line. This is like my 8th time using it in life, and I honestly, obviously I like it. I've managed to finish one whole bottle of conditioner, so yeah, here we are. Today in this video, we're gonna wash my sew-in, we're gonna style it, and just keep it, you know, nice, short, simple, sweet, and to the point. My hair is from Amazon. I don't think I've ever linked it before, but if y'all want me to, I could just link it down below. So my under eye is doing this really weird thing, so please ignore it when you're watching this video. It's giving flashback and I don't know why. So the reason why I'm doing my sew-in maintenance at home is because I know the struggle it can be to find a salon that checks all the boxes, like talented stylist, reasonable prices, and a vibe that actually makes you feel like you're taking care of yourself and not just your hair. And the search can be exhausting. I'm over it. So first things first, let's get into the prep. I always start by completely saturating my hair with water. I want to get rid of all of the residue from last week's products, any hairsprays and so forth. Let's talk about the Cecred Hydrating Shampoo. This stuff is a must-have, especially if you have a sew-in or any protective style. So what I love about it is that it's super hydrating and it doesn't leave your hair feeling heavy or greasy. I start by focusing on my scalp and then really getting in there with my fingertips to lift any dirt or product buildup. It's really about making sure your scalp is clean without disturbing the sew-in too much. And the smell, girl, it's like a spa in a bottle. Once I've rinsed out all the shampoo, I'm gonna go in with another shampoo. So I do about 2 shampoos to make sure my scalp and hair is super clean. Do not rub the hair together. Make sure you are finger combing it as you are washing and shampooing the hair. So after I've rinsed out all the shampoo, it's time for the Cecred Hydrating Conditioner. This is where the magic really happens. So I apply this very generously and I focus on the ends of my hair and then I let it sit for a few minutes. While it's working its magic, I prefer to detangle with my fingers, and this conditioner is so rich and creamy and it leaves my hair feeling soft and super manageable. No knots, no tangles, just smooth, hydrated hair. Next up, I go in with the Cecred leave-in conditioner, and I love how it's so lightweight but still gives my hair that gorgeous shine, and it gives back the light. It puts the life back into the hair. And I take a few drops, I rub them between my hands, and I work it through the hair, focusing on the ends to keep them moisturized and looking healthy. So now for the fun part, styling. I've been obsessed with the Shark flexstyle lately. This tool has been a game changer for protective styles, period. Whether it's a wig, a sew-in, tape-ins, and I just love the fact that it's not a curler. It's like 3 tools in one. You can blow dry, you can curl, and you can voluminize all with this one device. And the best part is it's super lightweight, so your arms are not gonna feel like they're about to fall off halfway through styling. I also love how easy the flex style is to use. You just wrap your hair around the barrel, or the hair like wraps itself around the barrel, and then you hold for a few seconds, and then you're left with these gorgeous bouncy curls that last for days. The heat settings are also customizable too, so you can just adjust it depending on what your hair type is. I like to keep mine on medium heat or high heat, especially for the extensions, and then medium heat for my real hair. It's the right amount to set the curls without causing any damage. upon starting this tutorial, I did not plan on making this a 2-day process, but I'm happy I did because 1, the lighting is so much better, and 2, as I'm recording this voiceover, we're about 4 days out and my hair still looks juicy and fluffy. So clearly, keeping your hair in pin curls makes the curls last a little bit longer. Here I am using the Cecred hair oil. I, again, love this thing. It's super lightweight, but as you can see, I'm mostly putting it on my real hair, around the edges, the hairline, and my leave out. You don't want to put too much oils on the actual extensions because, again, weave gets oilier quicker than real hair, at least in my case. So the less oil on the weave, the longer it will last between wash days. And then here I am just flat ironing. I did 1 pass on each side. And I did do the edges. I'm trying to practice to stop wearing edge control. And I'm telling you guys, it is a challenge within itself. But I figure if I just oil my edges and flat iron it once every 2 weeks, you know, I don't know. But I'm aiming for healthy hair, healthier edges, healthier hair. And so, yeah, but look how fluffy it looks. It looks so good. It has a nice body to it. Again, this hair is from Amazon, and I'm actually shocked by how well it's held up. But love it. I would definitely buy this hair again. Again, this hair was not sent to me. And yeah. That was it for today's video. Again, this is how my hair ended up looking. I think it looks so good. I love it so much. The shark, I've had it for about like 10 months. And when I tell you, like, I forgot about it because I get so much tools that are sent to me. One day I was like, wait a minute, why don't I just use that? Like, you know, like sometimes I don't want to smell the hair burning on the curling iron. So I ended up using my shark lifesaver. That's all I've been using these last 2 weeks. I love it. I think it was actually worth the money. Like, but I mean, I know it took me 10 months to say that, but I'm saying it now because I just forgot about it. If I wasn't a content creator or an influencer, I probably would use it more. But now that you know what? I bought that with my own money. That was not gifted. I bought that with my own. I should use it more. So I'm gonna use it more actually. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.